Yo guys, Jonathan here, and today got a different video where I thought it'd be fun to give away some brand new iPhone 11s to some random strangers and do it for a good cause. But I can't upgrade a 10. You got a home button, you got a chance. If you got a notch, you're out. You know what model that is?
7. The iPhone XS.
Nice.
10S.
10S.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, they shouldn't have used the Roman numerals.
No.
I have an iPhone 6S.
The screen cracked, so I had to get another screen,
Okay, you just replaced
but
it?
it was not the right color.
Did they fix it okay?
Yeah. Wow, no, they didn't know, because now I'm having nothing but problems, but I'm still holding out for the next phone.
I don't know.
It's a Samsung.
It's a Note 8.
So I have
What?
I have an iPhone 10.
I have the same.
I have an iPhone X.
Nice, what do you have?
I have an old 6S.
I've had I think like 4 or 5 different iPhones, so it's just kind of always sticking with that. I like the iOS interface, and also iMessage is super convenient. And then I also have an Apple Watch, so it's nice that it is connected.
The iPhone has been the same for like the past 3 years. It just changes slightly. The only reason I get a new one is because the phone company will offer it, but honestly,
Yeah.
they're really not that much better, in my opinion.
Any thoughts on ever going to Android?
No.
No, that's not real.
No, it's real. It's my real phone.
Wait, why?
I think it was a personal choice to get disconnected from social
That's
media.
amazing.
Yeah.
I respect that.
So texting's really hard. And I got lost today, so I had to call my dad. It's like, hey dad, can you look up this for me?
So you don't have like Google Maps or anything, right?
No, I don't Google Maps or so yeah.
Are you joining him or no?
Honestly, I actually saw the Nokia. They had like a flip phone. And
Yeah.
I was thinking of getting one just because of the same thing.
Yeah, what do you have right now?
I have an S9 right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you like that?
I think it's really good. I got away from the iPhone type thing. Everyone had an iPhone, and kind of the one that I had was like glitching out on me a lot.
Okay, what was your model?
The last one I had was 5, I believe.
5.
The iPhone 5. Yeah.
Man.
It was a while back.
Okay,
yeah,
so-
And then I switched to like the Galaxy 6.
Okay, but all team Android now, that's the way to go?
Yeah, except I have a MacBook.
Oh, see, you gotta get That's cool though.
Yeah, but the phone aspect of it is, I think it's a little.
But you think you're gonna go down that road too?
Yeah, just because like I'm a nursing student.
Got
I
it.
get distracted with social media. So,
Man, you guys are the heroes tonight. That's amazing. Like tip my hat. Thank you
thanks,
guys.
thank you.
Yeah, it's like great meeting you guys.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice to meet
Thank
you
you
too.
so much.
Thank you. How long have you had that now?
For 3 years, but this is a loaner. 'Cause
Okay.
My other 7, or my 7 went to the Apple store. It wasn't working, so they had to fix it. I guess it was a recall. So
Okay.
This is a loaner. Hopefully I get my original one later.
So Apple gave you that one to borrow, or?
They gave me this one 3 days ago, and the cellular data wasn't working.
How come they didn't give you a new one? That would have been cool.
I don't know. Yeah, this is a new one, but it's a loaner.
It would have been cool if they upgraded you to the newer ones because they just came out.
That would be nice. Yeah.
Yeah, did you see the newer
11,
ones?
yeah.
The 11. Today is iPhone day, so a lot of people are opening them up, and instead of us getting some, we wanted to give these away. So that will work out amazingly for you since you've been having trouble with your phone. She should have said yes to the video, huh?
She should have. Yeah. Do you have an easier way of opening this?
I think they actually make it easy for you. So this is kind of cool. I actually didn't unbox any of these, so we can do it together. So this will be a cool upgrade for your 7.
So this is the 11?
This is the 11.
Wow.
So that,
Thank you guys.
yeah. No worries. Thanks for saying yes.
I don't know what to say.
Just, nah, all good.
All right, cool.
Yeah, enjoy your phone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Get rid of that 7.
Yeah, I will.
Yes.
You guys take care.
Make sure to tell her she should have said yes.
Take care.
I want to get a 7 Pro or maybe the new 17 when it comes out.
So we're giving away phones, and I might have actually given you an iPhone 11, but then you talked about the OnePlus 7.
I did.
Yes, and so I thought this might be interesting.
Oh my god.
Actually?
Yes. I'll let you choose. You can choose this or the 11. This is the 7 Pro.
I would totally. Yeah.
Sick.
Actually?
Yes.
Really?
This is.
Thank you.
This is yours. It's not an iPhone 11,
That's.
but you showed your
Great.
love for the 7
Thank
Pro.
you.
I'm sure OnePlus
Yeah.
would be super excited to hear that.
That's amazing.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Thank you.
Get rid of your iPhone.
I will.
I have an iPhone 6.
Okay. I got a surprise. Hang tight. And I think we actually, dude, we have a 5S. We have a 5S. So we can give you the newer version. Oh, we have an SE.
We have an SE. Yeah.
So We'll upgrade yours to the SE since you like the size. Better than this. You won't have your broken screen. And then she can have this.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, are you really?
So there's a bunch of new colors this year.
Oh my gosh.
This is purple. This is like teal. I have a blue one, this is last year's 10R, and they don't make this color anymore. But you can pick the color between purple or green, your choice.
I'll take the teal.
Sick.
Oh
All
my
right,
gosh.
that's yours.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much.
There's
No
catch.
catch. We got some sweet cover tunes.
So when is this gonna air?
Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow.
Oh my gosh.
That's yours.
It's so nice.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So that's it. All good. It's your phone. Thank you guys.
You will be blessed. I'm a big believer.
Yes, congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yep. What's your channel? I feel like I gotta like. What is it?
Gamer Levi?
Oh, so you play games.
No, it's just the channel name.
Okay. You can give me a shout out though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I assume we're trying to find out what phones people are using right now. I assume you're too young. You don't have a phone, right?
I do.
You have a phone?
Yeah, that's what I record with.
Wow. What phone are you using?
iPhone 8.
Cool. What do you use to edit?
I use the simple editing. I don't know like the advanced editing.
Okay. Well, you should check out this app called LumaFusion.
Huh?
You should check out this app called LumaFusion.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Do you have something to write it down on?
Yes. Let me grab a pen for you.
What are you guys recording for?
Is this okay?
What is it?
Give it to him.
Really?
Yeah.
Like,
You can use it for. It's just his.
What iPhone is it?
This is the 11.
are you serious?
Yeah.
I think it was.
So if you give me a shout out, I'll trade you a shout out for an iPhone 11.
Okay.
Do we have a deal?
Yeah, can you write it down?
No, this is yours.
Wait, already?
Yeah. Like, you don't have to. You just give me a shout out. You gotta promise me you'll give me a shout out.
I will. No way.
All right. I'm gonna take it out for you.
No way.
So that's my deal. Use it for your channel. Give me a shout out,
Okay.
and that's yours.
Thank you. Hugs.
All right. Thanks, dude.
So can you write?
Yeah.
No, you are. So I don't forget it.
Tell them where you left your phone.
Outside in the front yard.
You left it in the front yard?
Yeah, but
What? We're not gonna do that to this one.
So where is it right now?
it's still in the front yard. I think it should be. It should be fine.
It's just chilling in the front yard?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who's your favorite team?
For baseball.
Yeah.
I like the Angels.
Really?
Yeah.
Me too. Have you watched Angels in the Outfield? Watch Angels in the Outfield.
Okay.
It's an amazing movie. That's how I grew up. Yeah, I'll put it in. Is it cool to press follow?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
I'll make sure that Lipa gets it.
Yeah, send me a message. Don't forget the shout out, because
Oh, we're gonna definitely do the shout out.
if the shout out doesn't come, then I won't take the phone back. But
No, we're
But
totally
I will not forget. So when we
if
get
the
home,
shout-out
I'll
doesn't
run
come,
to
I
my
won't take
phone
the
list,
phone back.
grab it, record a video. Thank you. I was just gonna give you a shout out.
I go by Jonathan. People will say John.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That was very nice of you.
You're welcome. Thank you guys for letting him be in the video.
I want another hug.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you, guys.
Have a good night. Thank you.
Too.
Now, as cool as it was to give away those phones, I also wanted to use this video as clickbait, if you want to call it that, to raise awareness for Ariel.
I was diagnosed with a brain tumor. When I went into the ER, they did find a macroadenoma on my pituitary gland, and that weekend they decided to do emergency surgery. Based on the area it was in, they just were afraid that it was going to cause me to go into a coma, those kinds of problems. So they did the emergency surgery that weekend. They stated that it did rupture while they were in there, and they let my family know that the consequence was that I would be blind when I woke up. I would say probably losing my independence. I can't drive anymore. I'm essentially have to be with someone wherever I go. I do use a cane, a visual cane, just so that way, in case I do run into anybody, they know that I am visually impaired. So I would say like the independence kind of is the detrimental part of it. Friends, family, like I said, the community on Twitter, I vent a lot on Twitter, and there's a lot of people that are always there for me, who let me know it's okay. They check up on me daily. They know my struggle, and they actually seem concerned about it. So it's really cool to see a community come together and help me and be there for me daily, constantly. I mean, I'm appreciative of my vision I do have. I don't take that for granted. I definitely like to stay optimistic on everything. I do believe that the tumor will shrink. I mean, we do know that my vision won't go back to perfect, but like I said, I'm able to live my life. I try to, it's hard to stay positive, but you know, I have my family, my friends, and they're really supportive, and I'm just appreciative to live life and have each day. I don't take any day for granted.
Now, true story, this footage was shot over a year ago. I've been wanting to make this video. It's been over my head because I wanted to make something special. Honestly, with the algorithm and YouTube, I was a little scared to put this out, have it fail, and then feel like I let her down. Now, last year, it was amazing hanging out with her, learning her story. She's super strong, super sweet, but she's also a fan of Justine, so I wanted to surprise her. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Oh my gosh. Hi. I'm good. How are you?
Oh my gosh, it's so great to meet you. I'm so sorry. I wanted to come there and meet you at the airport right now.
It's so crazy. I wore camo just because I had watched one of your videos, and I was like, camo's my favorite color.
Oh my gosh, that's my favorite color too. As you know. How are you?
I'm great. How are you? How's Hawaii?
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It was the best place to shoot a phone review ever.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry.
This is so great. Well, I hope that one day I can actually meet you. Jonathan told me that you were coming by, and I was like, no, I'm not there. I can't make it. But I would love to meet you one day.
Thank you. Same.
We'll definitely have to make it happen.
Thank you so much.
It was so nice meeting you.
You too.
Virtually.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, keep being awesome.
Thank you.
So inspired by your story, and you're so strong and so brave, and I just
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, here he is. Bye. Thank you. That was insane.
She wanted to be here, but she was like in Hawaii.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Thank you. I'm still shaking. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you had that.
Now, as cool as it was to surprise her, unfortunately, she is still battling those problems today. If you're able to help, amazing. If you can't, even just sharing this video or her story would be incredible. I'm gonna drop a link to her GoFundMe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.